Guys, we're back. It's absolutely freezing out here, so we're not going to make this too long of a video. Anyway, we've got the little dogs out here, and what we're working on is the off-leash recall. So we've really only been working with these guys for less than a week. We got Skylar. We've been working with him a little bit longer, but only using the pager with these little guys. I can't stress that enough. Would never use the continuous on a little dog. You know, you're going to at some point have to add the nick. Molly! Good! Wonderful! Good! So remember, we don't have the sound box collar on you guys, but I'm starting the pager slightly before, and then I'm holding it down until the dog is moving in my direction. Oh, and Molly, her little coat's a little tight, so she can't move that well. Molly! Good! Oh, goodness. If they're running away like that, that's when you really want to do it, because I was holding it down for this long. I wasn't doing it real short. You have a hard time getting people to hold it. Skylar! Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Skylar! Good, good, good. Skylar! Good, good. Skylar's got some good behaviors, but he's doing good. He's learning. We're going to teach him to dance. He stands on the Say, it's cold out here. Talk about that all the time, you guys. I want the dog accelerating towards me. I don't know of any other way to get that. Molly! Now this little guy, he smells the food and he just stays right with me. Skylar! Good! 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 Skylar! Good! 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 I want you guys to understand, Skylar tries to use his nose, but we've kind of figured out he really doesn't have a very good nose either. From the pager, you guys, so that's what I want you to understand. People that don't think you can get any results from the pager, just never tried it. Oliver! Oh, he just floats on air, that little guy. He just floats on air. This is my gang of little dogs. Look how cute. Oh, no, you don't steal, you little mother. from me then, because he was kind of sniffing. Skylar! Good, 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 good. All right, guys, we got to get them back inside. It's not me, it's them. They're getting cold. See ya.